Wakulu.
Everybody. Hey, together. Are you ready? Together. You see me? Together. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Chitima. Everybody. Chitima. Everybody. Slowly. Yeah. Chitima. Everybody. Chitima. One more time. Let me hear the congregation say, say. Somebody scream about the name of the Lord. If you can, turn to your neighbor. Jagalo mukakase. Maybe they're still doubting, yeah? Tell your neighbor. Are we together? Hey, beautiful. Turn to your neighbor and assure them, yeah? I'm not seeing you guys turning to your neighbors. Come on. You should assure somebody about the name of Jesus Christ. When we talk about this name, when we talk about this name, when I talk about this name, and what the Siwana, when I talk about this name, Nakasawana, when I talk about this name, hey, are you ready? Yes, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, Yesu kampale ulire. Come on.
I will lift my Jesus higher every day.
I say higher, higher. Every day I will lift my darling higher. Every day we sing higher, higher. Every day I will lift my Jesus higher every day. I say higher, higher. Every day I just to lift my darling higher. Every day we sing higher, higher. Every day I will lift my Jesus higher every day. I say higher, higher, higher. Kampala today, we just to lift our Jesus higher. Every day we sing higher, higher.
Every day I will lift my Jesus higher every day.
Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Somebody higher. Higher, higher, higher. Somebody higher. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Everybody celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Somebody celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Let me say celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, 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 celebrate. Everybody celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate the Lord tonight, right now. Where you are, celebrate His name. Are you ready? Yes, oh, yeah, la vida da Kampala. Zamulunja fire, Jenny.
It's so much of fire.
Fire!